been doing this a long time, 15, 16 years. And over that time, we've seen advisors triple, quadruple their business. When advisors use Branch Wealth Partnership, they work smarter, not harder. When I started in the business, I had to start with 300 phone calls, cold calls every single day. That was terrible and I hated it. It's an easy way for me to not be excited about being in the business. So a new agent that is frustrated with that kind of prospecting, this is a whole new way of doing things. It's an easy call, it's a warm call, and usually with the right kind of leads, it's just a simple way to get started and get some meetings that they never would have gotten in the past.
When a sales manager decides to bring Branch on board with them as part of their strategic plan for growing their agencies and their units, the biggest factor is they're looking to rejuvenate. Our job is really to be that support system, to really help them navigate it, but to empower. First and foremost, we want to educate.
CPAs are going to increase their revenue and build their practice a couple ways. One, we're going to split revenue with them. Usually we do a 50-50 split as long as they're completely licensed. Two, we're going to make sure that we organically grow their practice through getting good referrals. Financial advisors are excellent at getting referrals. So if we will ask their clients for referrals, then we can grow their business organically through getting those referrals. So they'll grow their business in two different ways.
When we meet with groups, we kind of do an intensive overview of the agency themselves because not one mold fits everybody. We're able to help coach them, give them the tools that can take them out into the field, find these particular groups of CPAs, strategic partners, so they can bring them into the fold and work cohesively.
The branch team that we have in our agency are experts at working with these types of organizations and bringing additional revenue and resources to our firm. Working with the branch team, they figured out a different way to do this. That's sharp, easier to do business with these types of strategic relationships. So it's had a big impact on us, and we've got something that nobody else has right now, is the ability to work with these organizations and drive revenue and make them happier, which is bringing us more opportunities.
Earlier this week when I met with the CPA and we were able to use the branch program, it made such a huge impact on our meeting. And what we were able to bring to the table that day, you could just see the light coming on in this gentleman's face.
I believe the most important aspect of working with the branch team is that it lends a legitimacy to me, to my practice, and allows me to expedite the processes that I use. And will allow me to be a better advisor in a much faster, much more expedient fashion.
With the addition of this strategic alliance program, this has allowed our younger advisors to get deeper into the marketing from day one based on the relationships that their clients have with their CPAs. So it's been a game changer for us for helping these younger advisors get moving faster.
Nothing replaces a live person when you're in a training session and to have that interaction and have the ability to ask those questions when they're relevant to you that day. But we've done this for so many years now that there's a lot of common questions and obstacles that we've decided that we have some video tutorials that you can sit at in the comfort of your office or home on your computer, and you can have that access of really seeing the big picture and going through situational things that you'll come up on as you're going through the process with Branch.
They ask us to come in, Branch Wealth Partnership, to come in to teach them a new way to prospect, a new way to create a business and create opportunities for advisors, which then excites the office and gets everybody heading in the right direction.
When an agency brings us in, when Branch as the team comes in and does that training that we offer, it's really important that they know that we're there as not just people coming in for a 1.5, 2-day training, that we're there ongoing. We're there for the long haul. We get a lot of feedback from sales managers that tell us that they wish they had done this years ago.